Okay, so here's an idea for you guys. I do a lot of streaming, a lot of recording, and things like that. I use this microphone right here, which is an XLR microphone. I do use all the microphones as well. I wanted to put my mixer right below my desk because I want to kind of have some visibility. This is where this is came from, right? This is the VIVO Black Sliding 19 by 6 inch tray. So again, kind of use your imagination. You could set up a computer down there. You could do all kind of different things. In my case, I did put a mixer. I'm going to show you how it looks. Again, it's underneath my desk, so it's a little messy, but I want you guys to see this. Okay, so here's my desk, essentially where I work, my keyboard, some of my equipment right here. Obviously, you have the computer right there, but then as you come down right here, you can see the mixer right there. And obviously, I'm doing this with the VIVO sliding 19 by 6 inch tray, like I was saying. I like a lot of things about this tray. Obviously, I like the fact that it kind of hides, right? So when I'm sitting down here, I don't even have to see it, right? I could kind of push it back and don't have it in the way. When I'm streaming, when I'm recording video, I could kind of push it out a little bit. And then by pushing it out, I could see some of my levels. As you can see, I'm recording right now and you can see some of my levels right there. I love the fact that you could also rotate it a little bit. Like if I want to move it down this way, it gives you some flexibility, like you can see it right there. I could also bring it down this way as well, and you could see it right there. You could kind of bring it up a little bit more. You could kind of bring it down, and again, just really, really nice. You just gotta screw it in the bottom of your desk. Obviously, I did screw it to this metal right here, as you can see right there. It is screwed to that metal. What I did was that I got some cell tab screws and I drilled some pilot holes and I stuck it right there. Again, it's really amazing how it goes back and it comes back. It comes to you very, very easy. Okay, I'm trying to give you the best look that I can right here so you guys have an idea. But again, you can see it right there. It's bolted down on cell tap to this right there. You do have some adjustments here as well. So again, you can make this tray smaller or bigger as well. So again, this tray has been underneath my desk for a little while already, and I'm loving it. I love the setup that I have. It's out of my way. I could bring it out when I need to and utilize it when I need to. It's heavy duty, it's metal, it's a little bit heavier. So when you put it on, maybe you need some help or something like that. But again, I did it by myself, so you could do it potentially as well. But again, really metal and construction and really heavy duty. So far, I dig it.